So never used it before, but I'm going to be using InVideo AI and turn or create an ad for Ollie.social, which is my own plugin, by the way. So complete disclosure there, it allows you to automatically generate comments with the power of it. But I'm going to take this, I'm going to plug this in InVideo and see if we can generate a good ad using this. I have a premium version of InVideo here, so I should be able to play around with the platform for at least a few videos. So there's also an option to, I think, clone your voice in scenarios where you want to create content in your own voice, but I would not want that to start off with. Let's just start creating some content using the pre-existing setup that we have here. So the UI says that I should be clicking here to create a video, and then as soon as I click there, I see a couple of options here. There's an option to create a YouTube explainer, script to video, Facebook, YouTube shorts, a news video, TikTok video, and an Instagram reel. I'm going to choose YouTube shorts. And so you have a bunch of different options here. So there's fast paced, very fast paced, and then there's the other option. I'm going to say fast paced. All right. So I'm going to write a prompt saying so this says give me an interesting shorts topic. Also add if you need anything specific. Create a fast paced YouTube shorts about, okay. So I'm going to say Ollie.social, an AI comment generator that can help you scale your social media. It's the initial set of prompts, and then I'm going to take some ideas with respect to the features, right? Let's just copy some of this features. This is the first one, and then this virality feature, the second one. This is the third one. Okay, and then let's also talk about the pricing here. I'm going to say pricing is this. There's a bunch of FAQ here. I'm going to go back to the top, and I'm going to say 100% refund. Never run out of ideas for posts ever again. So yeah, by the way, Ollie crossed 100 users just today, paid users. So that's a good thing, and probably one of the things that we should be adding here. All right, so now you have the option to also add the background music. I'm going to say technical and futurist. Language should be English. You know what, let's just keep this English. Now you can choose which voice you want. You can choose a male, female, or you can clone your own voice. So I'm going to say a female voice, and then you have a couple of options. A lot of options here. This is the clear American voice, California accent, New York accent. Okay, I'm going to say American voice. And then there are for speaker 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What does that mean? Okay, so you can use multiple speakers, I believe, but I'm just going to say the narrator. Like you can also add a second speaker here, but let's just have the the same speaker here. Then you have a bunch of different options here. Add bold subtitles with pop. Let's use this one, and then the watermark to use should be Ollie.social. And then you have the option to select iStock. And this is probably one of the things that makes InVideo AI different, is that you can use stock media. And you own the rights to stock media if you have the paid subscription. And that's based on what I've read. I need to do more reading here. So you can use fewer stock media, don't use or use as needed, or only use stock media. So I'm going to say use as needed. And then use YouTube audio library only, use Storyblocks audio only, and use the best audio available. So I'm going to use that. All right, so the content is here, the speed is here, the background music, the language to be used, the settings are also here. Let's try building the shot now. They also have the option to select the model. I believe they have their own model, it seems. 55 languages, better voices, longer prompts, and more. I'm assuming they still use GPT in the background, but let's try generating a video. Obviously, they have more things that you can do. For example, you can generate like a complete explainer video about a concept. Let's say you're teaching about AI or something else, or you're just making some basic UGC content. You can also do that. So a lot of faceless YouTube channel probably use something like this. Let's say they're not investing too much time in reading about the content, and they're not as stupid as me to record these long videos. So they probably do some sort of automation in the background. But anyways, let's just keep going. So you can see it allows me to create select the audience. So I can select the social media guys, the content creators, or I can select tech savvy users. Now I don't know how it comes to this conclusion about these, the audience here, but it seems that the model is kind of identifying based on the text you put, who is the most likely audience for this product. I'm going to say content creators, and then look and feel to be futuristic, sleek, and dynamic. I'm going to say futuristic. And then you can see it also has the option to select the platforms again. So I'm going to say YouTube Shorts and continue. And at this point, the generation should start. So note that I haven't uploaded literally anything from Ollie at this point, except for the text part of the story. Obviously, I can upload images and stuff like that, but that's not something that I've done, at least right now. Let's just wait for it to initially generate some piece of content, and then based on the generations, I believe you can also edit the certain things that you might need to change in the video. or the audio. So let's just wait for it to do all of this, and then we will try manipulating the content.
A few moments later.
All right, so there we go. We have the first video ready and generated. Let's try and play it.
Imagine having a social media sidekick that's sharp, smart, and always on the ball. Say hello to Ollie. Content creators, it's time to gear up. Ollie isn't just another tool, it's your AI-powered arsenal. In just seconds, Ollie crafts dynamic comments that mirror your unique voice. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, Ollie has you covered. But here's the real game changer. Ollie learns from your past interactions, refining its magic to ensure your comments always hit the mark. Predicting virality? Ollie does that too. Understand why certain posts catch fire and use that intel to boost your own content. More quality in your posts means more engagement, and Ollie ensures you deliver just that, consistently. Think lifetime access sounds good? For just $24.99, Ollie is yours forever. No subscriptions, just endless updates and a guaranteed 7-day money back if you're not thrilled. This price is a limited time offer, folks, so jump on it. Boost your engagement, understand virality, and never miss a beat with Ollie, your new AI-powered partner in social media success.
So I would say this is pretty good. It's not too bad. I'm going to see if there's anything else I can do with it, right? So there were certain parts of the video where I really felt that, at least things where you saw the text pop out and kind of was distorted. The captions or the subtitles were distorted because of the background. So I'm going to click edit, which apparently opens the entire timeline of the video, which is cool. And then you can see exactly what stock media is attached to what. So let's say, I think this one was an issue. So what you can do is you can upload a media to replace this. I'm going to say, let's select this image. Again, it's completely irrelevant here, but I'm going to see if I can, change certain images to make this better. And then let's click on replace. Seems you have an option to drag this. So I don't know how do I, pull this or extend this across the screen, because it seems that there's some sort of, the white background is still visible. That's the issue. Maybe I just need the image in a specific format. So that's kind of upsetting. Let's see if I remove this, and then do I have any option or way to remove? Yeah, there's no real way to remove this right now. The only way I have is to kind of put this on top here. I don't know if it's just showing this for demo purpose or if this will really appear on the background though, so I'm just going to give it a try. Let's click on apply changes and let's look up that specific. Yes, so it seems that the image is replaced.
This price is a limited time offer, folks, so jump on it. Boost your engagement.
So it's not too bad. Like they're adding animations of sorts, which makes the generation looks okay. Like obviously this looks like it's generated by AI. There's no way people will not figure out this is generated by AI, but the generations overall are not too bad. And I can upload a bunch of different images that are related to this plugin. So let's say if I take a screenshot of this, save it on the desktop, and then if I want to replace a specific part, say this one, and then I upload the screenshot that I just took. It's taking some time to load. It's like it's there and then kind of just replaced it, right? Let's play it from this point.
Your unique voice. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, Ollie has you covered. But here's the real game changer. Ollie learns from your past interactions, refining its magic to ensure your comments always hit the mark. Predicting virality?
So it's not that good. The other thing is that I also want to edit out the script. So let me just first remove the image that I added, because it's white and it's not going to do the trick. So you can just remove it like that, and then you have the option to edit the script. Imagine having a social media site. Wow. Obviously the script overall is fine, but then I wish I had the option to kind of give a follow-up prompt that basically says, maybe things like you still have to pay OpenAI subscription, right? Let's say this one, you pay for only what you use, and let's apply this change and see how it sounds.
Reality? Ollie does that too. Understand why certain posts catch fire and use that.
Oh, it seems like it's synthesizing the voice. So I'm going to wait a few seconds before I can go back to the script and change the music, because the music is really annoying. Plus, I also want to remove this watermark in video, Ollie Social. I don't know if there's a way to remove it now that the video is generated. So it's going to take a few seconds, and yeah, it seems seems the voice is ready.
To boost your own content. More quality in your posts means more engagement, and Ollie ensures you deliver just that, consistently. Think lifetime access sounds good? For just $24.99, Ollie is yours forever. You pay for only what you use, just endless updates and a guaranteed 7-day money back if you're not thrilled. This price is a limited time offer, folks, so jump on it.
I mean, it sounds okay. It's not too bad. I'm going to go back to edit and edit music. And then I have a couple of different options here. Let's hear these. Again, these are all non-premium music, so I hope I don't have to trim these down while I'm uploading this on YouTube. I honestly think if I can just reduce the volume of this, let's dial it down to 20 and let's
Boost your engagement. All. Say hello to Ollie. Content creators, it's time to gear up. Ollie
sounds better. Maybe I can dial it down a little bit more, maybe around 15. Yeah, I can get it to 14, but not. Let's try it now.
Ollie isn't just another tool, it's your AI-powered arsenal.
Yeah, I think this is okay. And is there a way for me to, remove the Ollie social watermark? I mean, I'm a paid user, so I shouldn't be able to.
Arsenal. In just seconds, Ollie crafts dynamic
Should be able to remove. I don't see it.
art and always on the ball.
Yeah, there you go. So I want to remove this. Here's what I'm going to do. Oh, you can also edit the video with the command. So interesting. I should have just done that. Maybe if I can change the caption. I think yellow is fine. It's not too bad. I think it's okay. So the generation is fine. What you can do post that is you can export this to whatever quality you want. And then do you want the in-video AI branding? I mean, you can choose the normal one if you're on free, but if you're on paid, you can choose to remove the brand. So I'm going to continue anyways, and let's see if it's able to remove the branding from the video. All right, so it will take some time to explode, I believe, but it seems that it's rushing to the end very fast, so it shouldn't take too long. And then I'm going to test if I can really use this for Ollie. So we do run a bunch of different ads, and I don't know if this is going to cut it, but I can give it a try and let you guys know how the results are. Anyways, this is how the final video looks like.
Imagine having a social media sidekick that's sharp, smart, and always on the ball. Say hello to Ollie. Content creators, it's time to gear up. Ollie isn't just another tool, it's your AI-powered arsenal. In just seconds, Ollie crafts dynamic comments that mirror your unique voice. Whether it's Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, Ollie has you covered. But here's the real game changer. Ollie learns from your past interactions, refining its magic to ensure your comments always hit the mark. Predicting virality? Ollie does that too. Understand why certain posts catch fire and use that intel to boost your own content. More quality in your posts means more engagement, and Ollie ensures you deliver just that, consistently. Think lifetime access sounds good? For just $24.99, Ollie is yours forever. You pay for only what you use, just endless updates and a guaranteed 7-day money back if you're not thrilled. This price is a limited time offer, folks, so jump on it. Boost your engagement, understand virality, and never miss a beat with Ollie, your new AI-powered partner in social media success.
So I think the generation is good. I'm just going to export it and maybe use it later for the ads, and I'll keep you guys posted on how it performs. But this is a cool tool. Like, I haven't cloned my voice, and I just tried it out for the sake of just trying out the tool, and it sounds good. There are more things you can do. So for example, things like generate long form videos. So most AI generators, including Snappy, can only do up to 60 seconds worth generation. You can generate long videos with this, which is, I think, one of the reasons why folks use this tool a lot. But the issue with that is that your entire video is a stock video, right? It's not going to be originally AI generated or anything else. It's going to be complete stock video. And while you do have access to the license, it might seem repetitive to your end users. But either ways, I think the generations are good, and with the advent of tools like Sora, Veo, and a bunch of different video generation models, this will change very, very soon. This will generate original content from scratch. So I'm excited for those times, right? And otherwise, this is a pretty good tool, and I'm very excited to see what else I can do. Maybe if you guys are interested, I can cover more use cases. Let me know what you guys think of this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.